How to log into Go2 Bank online banking account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first step is to open up any web browser you want, and now on the search bar you want to search for go2bank.com. Once you search for this, a website is going to open up, and now click on the login option that you can find above. Once you do, you want to enter your email address here first. After you have entered your email address, the next step is to enter your password. So go ahead and enter your password. Now, if you want to check or confirm your password, click on this I button to reveal your password. If you want to remember your credentials, check this box that says Remember Me. Now click on the Login option to log into your account. Click on the Trouble Logging In option if you're facing any issue while logging into your account. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.